Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Dice Dreams application on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your Play Store on your Android device and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you open it up, go to the search box and type in Dice Dreams and search. Look for this application from Superplay and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app right away. Dice Dreams is a multiplayer social dice game that allows you to build boards, attack your friends, steal coins from them, and brag about your victories. The application is available for both iOS and Android users. In the game, you can build your kingdom, attack your friends, earn rewards, chat with your friends, and plan your next attack. It is known to be a famous, fun, and engaging game that is easy to learn but difficult to master. The game is a great way to pass time and challenge your friends, which comes up with different features. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to open the application for your Android. So that's how you can easily download Dice Dream application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.